Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So this item I just bought from Shopee. So lebih kurang I think 20 ringgit plus kot, something like that lah. So this is the fuel pump. Kiranya macam kereta baru kebanyakan dia pakai sistem fuel pump lah. Dia memerlukan pump untuk sedutkan petrol daripada tangki minyak pergi ke carburetor. Bukan carburetor lah, injection, something like that lah. And then van aku Suzuki Carry SK410 dia dah start pakai electronic fuel pump. So electronic fuel pump aku dah rosak, so aku beli daripada Shopee. And then kita try lah macam mana fuel pump ni. So aku tunjuk, kita buka. So aku terus beli 4 lah kot, sampai adik lah. So aku beli 4 fuel pump ni untuk buat spare terus siap-siap. Dalam description dia pun review dia banyak cakap okey. Dia orang pakai untuk pembotol lah, something like that. So ini dia 4. So kalau pakai kereta-kereta lama lah yang nak convert tak pakai AC pump iaitu elektronik punya fuel pump, so better beli macam ni lah. Aku beli ni sebab murah. And then kita beli, jangan beli satu kita rugi, kita beli 2 atau 3 untuk spare di masa akan datang. Dan simpanlah satu spare dekat dalam kereta anda, sebab benda ni tak tahu bila akan jadi kong. Tada! So ni pun sama lah. Basically aku akan test buka dan test satu persatu lah. Kita try sedut air cukup lah, nak tengok dia function ke tak function. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is how we test the fuel pump. So we need the fuel pump, a hose, a bottle of water, a battery. So 12 volt. And then we need a small wire. So we just as you can see, the pump starts to working. So we just, as you can see, we just take the fuel pump and then a hose and a water bottle directly to the inlet. So you can see the water starts to coming out. So that means this fuel pump is good. Done. So we just change the fuel pump. Okay. Simple. Spanner size 10. Ambil T10. T is better lah. Okay. In, out. So, out. So, okay, as you can see, there is in and out. So, you need to make sure which hose or petrol is going in and is going out to your injector or your carburetor. So this is the out. Just put inside, and then so this is the ins. Okay, done. Lastly, plug this like this. As you can see, plug in the socket and everything's done. Now we try to start the engine. Done. So as you can see, it starts to vibrate.